And before starting with the paid way, I want to start with the free and easy way to get customers from Facebook for free. So most people, to get free traffic from Facebook, they share their product link in a groups or in some famous pages. But this way is an old way and it's not legal anymore. And Facebook may shut down your own account for doing so. The new way and the free and most of all the legal way to get free traffic from Facebook is from the Facebook Marketplace. The marketplace on Facebook, it's a place where it can let you sell products locally in your city, or it can also let you see what other people are selling in your city. And it can also let you list a product for sale in only one specific city. It can be any city in the map that you want. So for example, let's pretend that this website, it's our own website. It's this website, it's just a random Shopify website that I have chosen, and we're going to pretend it's our website and we want to promote this specific product in Facebook for free, of course. So if you are trying to promoting a product or a service in the US, for example, United States of America, you better choose only big cities like, for example, New York and Los Angeles and Washington or Orlando, Florida, and other big cities. You will have to create 4 lists for each product and each product with a different city. Let me show you this. For example, I want to promote this website in 4 cities: New York City, Los Angeles City, Washington City, and also Orlando City. So first of all, I'm going to download this picture. Going to go to the Facebook Marketplace. It's facebook.com/marketplace. And click sell something. Choose item for sale and category. So I'm going to choose electronic computers. What are you selling? Just copy the title. And the price, copy the price. Oh. And the description as well. And finally the picture. And we're going to change the city to New York City. New York City. And in the end, I'm going to share our website link. Buy directly from our websites and share the website below. And in the end, when you're done, all you have to do is click next and choose only the marketplace and click publish. And now we're published our products, but only in New York. So what we have to do is create another list for Los Angeles and the same other list for Washington and the 4th list for Orlando. Let's do this. Sell something. So for sale, the title, and the price, and the description. Description should be right here. And what we're going to change now is the city. Let's choose, for example, Orlando. Orlando, Florida city. And I think everything is perfect. Choose the picture. And you can do the same thing. Take the link and copy the link below. And when you're done, click next. There's going to be a problem pops up because I'm going to explain it. So it says there is issue with your product. So why this issue? It's going to say that it looks like you've already posted this item because it recognized the picture. So what we're going to do, we need to be smarter than Facebook. Facebook recognized this picture and it says there is two pictures. So what we're going to do, we're going to modify and just play with this picture and change it. If you do have Photoshop, it's perfect. But if you don't, just click in the picture and click modify the picture and just play a little bit with the colors. And maybe the size as well. And when you're done, click OK. So go and click edit the listing and delete this picture and choose the new one. And when you're done, click save. And we just beat the system. Cool. So basically you have to do the same thing for other cities. Could be new cities like Washington, Los Angeles, I don't know, any other city in any other states, and list your products. So, and if it's sold, you can just click mark as sold and it's going to change to sold, and you can mark as pending and you can boost your own listing. So boost your own listing is that you're going to pay money for advertising and this product is going to be shown to other people. So you can choose 3 days or more. I personally prefer 5 days. And the budget, 5 days, $5 as well. And it says that it's going to spend $1 per day. And this ad will run for 5 days on 18 February 2020. And add your payments, and in the end, when you're done, just click promote and it's going to be promoted and it's going to show to even more people in this city. And if it's sold, just you can click mark as sold. Yes, sold. So that's it, and see you in the next video.